Hi, my name is Katerina Уварова, and I am the Circular Solutions Lead and co-founder of PBAN. We turn waste into functional items in Kharkiv, Ukraine.
PBAN is an upcycle social enterprise. We transform PVC advertising banners and use denim into bags and accessories. Each piece is unique and built to last. We work with communities in eastern and western Ukraine. Our production connects people, skills, and local partners across the country. Our mission is to make the circular economy practical and visible. We reduce hard-to-recycle waste and create jobs through craftsmanship. I started PBAN because I wanted a real alternative to use and throw away. Design can be responsible and still desirable. In 2025, we were recognized at the European level. We became winners of the New European Bauhaus 2025. It proved our model can scale beyond Ukraine. We also upcycled denim together with community partners, including Zero Waste Kharkiv. We built local collection and reuse system, not just products. Created by women will help us enter the European market. We are seeking funding for European product certification and international trademark registration.
This is the next step for sustainable growth and trust from international partners. Thank you for supporting Ukrainian circular innovation and see you in Europe.